8 Steps to Create a Preventive Maintenance Program, Part 2. Number 3, Obtain buy-in from stakeholders. It doesn't matter how much time you put into your preventive maintenance program if you don't have your entire team on board. Total buy-in is crucial, as an effective preventive maintenance strategy requires everyone to chip in, from a maintenance manager or technician who must input data to a reliability engineer who reads that data and makes decisions based on it. What seem like small details add up to make a big difference. That's why establishing the concept of total productive maintenance is so important to creating a strategy that works. This will give you a holistic view of how an increase in scheduled maintenance will affect each person and the team. Number 4, Leverage the right technology. Technology is one of the most important ingredients for an effective preventive maintenance strategy. There are several factors that must be considered when choosing the right technology for a preventive maintenance program, including the skill set of your team, budget, asset capabilities, team preference, data security, and more. One of the most important things to remember when looking for preventive maintenance technology, such as a CMMS, is ease of use. If a system is too hard to understand and use properly, it will not be used effectively, and all the time and money invested in the solution will be for naught.